Kenny! 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 Andrew! Say hi! What are you doing? Drive the fucking truck! Break the rules!
Roll skateboards and bikes. 1,000.
Bro, motherfucker!
Fuck them all.
You should have honked at them!
Ready for the drum?
No! Andrew, stop being a whore!
I wish we had handlebars. So we get some damn roller coaster.
Woohoo! Yeah! Shit!
Feel that drift? Alright.
What drift? That was drifting?
That's like your thing.
Ah. Kenny! My camera's going everywhere!
Shit.
Not the sinkhole! Ah.
Thug life. There's a rock at the end of this road.
The fuck you mean thug life, Kenny? You're not in any immediate danger.
I have no seatbelt, fuck you!
Neither do I! No, Kenny! Kenny, look at this. I have no seatbelt and I'm holding the fucking phone!
Fuck you guys, let's see the no hands.
We're gonna die!
Are you gonna drive?
Holy shit! We're going everywhere!
I'm so fucking good. I'm so fucking good.
I give up on life.
I don't give a fuck about you guys. I'm just going thug life.
Hey, this is funny. We're playing this in
Andrew, say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hi, YouTube. I'm trying. It hurts. Damn it.
Kenny, why are you putting your hands up? Andrew, we're so manly, we have this love song. Oh my god, this song sounds amazing.
I want to rage out right now, get out the car and go smash someone's door.
Hell no.
Feel my way through the dark.
Aw.
Jesus!
Should throw yourself in the window.
Jesus!
I mean, if she has any diseases.
As long as you got
Can you have plenty of diseases already? What if I told you? You're a dad. Dad like a bitch. Ah, shit, where am I going? I went, oh god! It's happening again! Ah, son of a bitch! Where are all the buses?
World of Warcraft.
Thug Life World of Warcraft, huh? Woohoo! Whoop whoop!
One more time.
This time with gusto.
We're here!